The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger. Back again, it's Jamaica Good Life, and you are going to be happy today. But before we go in, I want you guys to relax, take it easy. I know that you're having a rough time in the world. The purpose for this program is to bring you back. Now, if we pan down, you'll see something here. That's a grave. In Jamaica, anytime you pass a grave, you must give your blessings, right? Because it's the ancestor.
Yes, honor.
You must honor. So before you pass on, give blessings to the elders. This grave is probably 100 years old.
Let's look at this stuff. It's pure stone.
On top.
Yes, so let us ask.
We all ask, yeah.
Grandma when we go inside.
So this is where the most loved mother in the world. She is our mother now. Your mother. Welcome back again. Today we bring her some more gifts. And I know you're waiting to get her the hearing aid. On November 9th, we're going to take her to the doctor. I'm here with Teddy, the dragon. There he is.
Hi world.
How you feeling?
Hi world. Live world. Live. Let us get it together. Always living.
And loving.
Yes.
So look on the goat away far away. Look on the
Very
goat.
good that grandma was
The
standing
goat there
by.
away far away.
Yes.
Let's sneak up on grandma. You know,
No, don't sneeze.
don't sneak up on her.
No, let's
True.
let's arrive on early. No sleep.
No sneak up on her. You look like she can't trade.
Yes,
Teddy, she can't trade. Teddy, she
yeah.
can't trade.
Lucky.
She can't trade. We couldn't even come in.
Have them.
Hey.
Have them.
Look at it. Look at this one. In the dog up if you see it. Hey, look for you. Look there. Look at it. What a party today. Even Blackie happy. Look how Blackie happy. You happy if you see me, Blackie? Eh? Blackie, where your manners? I want it. Blackie happy if you see me. Hey, Blackie, look for them too. What you say, Blackie? What a thing, sir. So where's your mask? Where's your mask?
So how are you this
You have to
evening?
get your mask. Go get your mask. Get your mask. Let me get my mask.
Teddy, how are you doing?
Oh man! Yesterday,
How are you doing?
not the rain, sir.
I'm alright.
Mama, you see the rain?
But tell you what, I was inside, and all I could tears nearly come to me, and I remember my father.
Oh my!
When I was a child, October month was like this. For days it rained. And I was inside, and I saw my father coming from down the field with a basket of food on his head. And tears nearly flowing.
Wait there. You hear what she said? She said she saw her father coming down the hill with a basket of food. Let's look in the back of the car, see why not the car.
Yes.
Why? Mama, you have a vision.
Basket of food.
But
That's it. It's always it has been.
How did you see? Take it out for me.
Yeah, it's man. It has been so
Mama,
anti.
how did you see the basket of food?
Proper. It has been so.
What's here? Oh my God! And that is for me. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
But you saw you saw it.
As usual. Thanks a lot.
And you know that is coming from the field, you know. We not buy nothing for you, you know.
Eh?
We not buy them things, you know. This is coming from our farm.
Whose farm?
Patrick, Angelina.
Oh my
Come, we could look on it.
Who does the farming for her?
Patrick, her son.
Oh my gosh. Isn't that something?
Yes. Look him now and back. Him say, wait there.
I tell you, the water. So much water. Oh my gosh. What about Junior?
Yeah.
Junior.
Yes, ma'am.
Junior.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to
Bring it out here.
Come here, man. Because me have to
I brought it for you on.
put it back.
You want to take picture?
Eh?
Okay.
Yeah, bring it to me. This is for you and Junior.
Yes.
Me can't bring things for you alone no more, you know. Me know we love you,
I tell you.
but we love Junior too. Okay?
Yes. Isn't this, look at that.
Pumpkin pretty man.
Oh my gosh.
So you say you saw your father yesterday.
Mr. sat in here. He died in 2002. He died. But I saw him. I wanted to give it to me, put it in my lap.
Oh, okay. You sure, Mama?
Yes, that's where he needs this man.
Can hold it?
Isn't this
You can hold it?
Whoa. This come from up your place?
That's what I'm telling you, Mama. We don't buy things for you, you know. We take it straight from God. See, from God?
Straight from the farm.
Straight from the Father.
Isn't this something?
Go on, sir.
Oh my gosh, look at this. And the pumpkin. Gosh.
I wanted to bring it yesterday.
Yes.
I was on the way.
Junior told me that, but with the weather, you could not have made it.
I was trying to make it, and the water stopped me.
Yes.
I had to turn back.
Gracious, isn't this something? Isn't this something? Like, when you came here the first time, you didn't see a flower garden.
I didn't see your flowers here.
Well, Saturday, my pastor then saw the video, and they were so enamored. And they came down. They came down in their numbers on Saturday. So each of them up the step, each of them held a flower.
Really?
It was
Did they bring these flowers for you?
all of them.
So people from Kingston brought these flowers for you?
St.
St.
Andrew.
Andrew.
I retired from.
Wow.
That was the school I retired from.
Wow, this is so beautiful, man.
Yes, auntie.
Look inside, you see two orchid on the table. That's what's them for me. And the coffee table and this.
Yes, on.
You should have been here. You should have been here.
Wow.
Each of them coming up the step with that. And then with the presentation they gave me.
Stand this side, auntie. And
I have another surprise for you. That's your brother.
Lloyd! What's he here? Lloyd! Oh, you got Lloyd!
It's a gift.
hear, you know. Your sister not hearing nothing. But I got your message. I've been getting your messages. I've been getting your messages from March all along. Up to last week. Lied. I don't hear, not hearing nothing.
Where did his brother come from?
She can't hear you, Lloyd. She can't hear you good.
No, I can't hear. He knows. He knows I'm not hearing. Oh, you managed to get Lloyd.
Lloyd, call us.
Oh my gosh. So this was, they brought this, but I don't know how to clear orchid.
Lloyd. Yes, Lloyd.
You didn't not hear me tell me.
I show you how. I come and show you how to.
Yeah.
But let them stay inside until I come.
You like soon.
They must be hung out in your house. So don't trouble them.
Yes.
No water. Very, very.
That's a charcoal. Charcoal.
A video call?
Yes, Lloyd.
This is the money to go. I'll put them up for you.
Okay.
So we're gonna, Run is gonna beside you, and we're gonna take Run.
You just answer me.
Just a while.
Wagwan.
Yes, Run. Please, let me see
Why
your
do
face.
Wagwan look
Let me
like?
sit, just hold it for a minute. I want to give you
Cool
a good
man.
pat,
A good man. Everybody. Oh yeah, you're breaking up. You're breaking up. Probably because of video
Face this
call.
way, auntie.
Yeah, breaking up, man. So, how's everybody? Oh, wow. Breaking
It's
up.
a grand time.
Oh, mosquito. Mosquito.
Yeah, man.
Kill
Yeah,
me.
Uncle Ed.
Oh,
Hold the flower steady.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
wow.
Alright. That's
Break.
done.
That's your orchid. Just tell him that the signal is bad.
Yeah, the signal is poor. No, the signal is poor. Yeah.
Here we are. Right.
Sure, man.
The person tell you not to give it water.
No.
They don't like water.
No.
The guy, when I call them and ask them,
Yeah,
You see, it's well prepared here now, you know.
oh,
All these stones, if you do give it water, the drainage will be good, but you mustn't pour no
Can't hardly
water.
hear.
oh, they
Right.
have to water.
This is what you
Okay.
should do. If
Okay.
you need to give it some water, you only give it once
But
per week.
how long will this last time?
Forever.
Yeah.
Forever.
Yeah.
Forever.
Yeah, breaking up.
But see,
I hear some
I
weird.
don't
Yeah, man.
You know what you need,
Yeah,
auntie?
man. I soon give you a call.
You need to get a container that has a
I soon
handle.
give you a call.
Look on the colors, man. And we're gonna
Huh?
hang it up for you.
It hung up.
Yes.
Okay.
So that it's always there. Me know how to do that. Me go to the bushes
But
and
I
pick
hear
them
what I
and
say,
put
it's a
them in
break up.
trees.
It's not coming through clear.
I go to the bushes and pick them and put them in trees
Yeah.
around the house. And
No.
they catch and bloom.
But I'll call you soon, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to call you soon.
Are plants that love to have a
Yeah.
host. Orchids are plants that love to have a host. Something to wrap their roots around, you know.
Oh, I hear the
So I'm
Moscow.
We'll come and do it for you, auntie. Both of us.
It's a.
Yeah.
We'll come and do it for you. In the meantime, let them stay inside,
I can't
auntie.
hear a thing what Lloyd is
No,
saying. That's right.
yeah, even me, it's not come true clear. It can break up.
So just say a quick hello.
Them pretty better.
Yeah,
Hello, Lloyd.
Here's the auntie here.
man.
Hello.
Now go. Make one stand
Mute.
Yeah, in mute. Once it connect again, but the data, have to get more data. Next time I get data.
Alright, go on now, man. I know your time now. Go on.
Oh my gosh. This was something.
So just leave a message for him. Rick, say something. Just say something for him. Say it.
I'd like to say hi to the family for me.
All right, so I sent that. Is this too much joy for you?
No.
Imagine.
You know, we're glad to see you. We know it's been a while. We know it's been a long time, but we're glad to see you.
Yes.
Me and Tenny been around working, because you're not the only star around here, you know.
No.
See the next star there.
Yeah.
But we brought you this because we want to keep you healthy and strong.
Oh, gracious, this is wonderful.
Yes,
This is a
Mama,
great
you know
gift.
we love you.
Great gift, man.
And make sure say you cook some soup for Junior, because Junior look a little slim, you know.
Junior. Call him and make him come put up anti-basket.
Yeah, man.
I know. When they came, and we had a fair day on Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
So when they came, they gave me a check for $150,000.
$150,000.
The past students, the old students there.
What? Very great, auntie.
150 Jamaican dollars. 150. The check is there.
150,000.
Eh?
150,000.
150.
What?
I wanted to know. No, man.
You look funny, auntie. Hey.
150,000. Mama said, no, man. Mama head said, Mama, if you check her head.
Call Junior, making contact.
No, make go there. Cool.
Why was that nice bag?
You see it?
Away you pick up the basket, man.
Uh-huh.
Where you pick up the basket?
The basket is in the house where I'm staying.
Yes.
So we'll bring back the basket
Yes,
so we can bring it back again
Yes,
and again.
Right.
But thanks to Angelina, thanks to Ras Malachi, Patrick,
And his wife.
for doing this, and his wife. And this is just a good gift from the farm. So this is where Miss Doris live. I want to thank all the students that came and showed her love. You know, this is the beginning. I know the world is out there. That one lady that couldn't wait to send the donation for the hearing aid.
Yes,
She sent $30.
Yes.
And we have it for her. So lady, just so you know that we register that on film.
Yes.
And another lady is looking to get another surprise. But we won't say surprise.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So we don't.
So when they saw the video, there was a difference on top of the world. 150,000.
Okay.
Me now go put it on camera because I don't want to shock everybody.
No, I wanted to look at it.
Let me look at it. Because me don't know if I. No, Mama, $1.50. And my eyes them bad, you know. It is 150,000.
Of course.
Because
What I said it was.
you was right.
That's the
Yes,
number.
yes. Of course.
This is a lot of zeros here. Teddy, can you count them zeros there?
Let me describe the thing for you. It's to DWB 150,000
Mr. Doris,
and it's also 00166, you know, man.
Are you sure it's not $1 million?
Boy, listen me, man. It is JMD 150 0000. 0. Managers.
Wow, managers.
Yes, it's authentic, my brother.
Mama?
Mama, please take it inside and give it to the banker.
They were sweet. And then, you can imagine, I wasn't,
Lord, you wasn't.
I'm so many years older than that. So, those days when, those were,
Auntie. Hey, hey, Ronald.
those in my young days. So,
Ron, would you believe that evening that we
You know-
was really...
Good.
so when they went home, they called me.
Mhm.
Each of them called me and
Separately.
told me about the day. And they said, when they were leaving, they got so emotional they nearly cried. And I'm talking about over 30 years.
Respect.
And this is not the first visit. The first time when they came, 4 of those that came that time, they came back with the group here. But when they came, they gave me flowers like that. Only hope this time that these will,
Auntie will come and water them for you.
these will come up. And one of them is, and I was, strange enough, I used to use this strap. You see, the government said don't use it again. I tell you. One of them now, he is a contractor, he's a builder. His mother sent those to me, and she made them.
She made this.
She made them. So he told me that she made them. She sent those for me.
Wow.
Our kids inside here, Auntie.
Wow. This is so special. She made these containers.
She made them.
We have to get her number so people can get there. It's cloth and cement. So we have to go get our number
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
because enough people are going to want to buy them. She sell them? Probably not, or does she sell them?
I don't know really, but Chris.
But Miss Doris, you're making me jealous with these flowers,
I tell you, each of them march up this, I stood up there,
Yes.
and they march up this step with the presentation of flowers. Look,
Let me ask you, how am I going to get so whole and get so much love? That's what we want to find out.
pardon me?
How am I going to get to your age and get so much love?
You got to practice.
Me have to practice?
Practice what Auntie does.
Pouring out-
Just educate people. Right?
Educate them.
Educate people.
The outpouring of love that, and when I was leaving that community,
Yes, Auntie.
I left on a Saturday night, and I don't think 4 people. I was on 9 months pre-retirement leave, so I was at the cottage there, But nobody knew I was leaving. I couldn't tell anybody
Yes.
because I knew what it was.
Yes. Commotion. Tears.
Actually, I had to hide, as it were, But it was.
Auntie, big respects to you because, boy, that evening was good when we came by.
As I said, that was where my most rewarding years, my last years of my teaching career was when I was principal of that school.
Yes, Auntie.
It was,
Super.
and then I took the school from nothing, and that's why one of the oldest member, one of the oldest
Student.
residents there, he came with them.
Oh my.
And then, he knew from the very beginning.
Huh? My God. Auntie. Hey, Auntie, you have made it, man.
Eh?
You have made it, Auntie. You have made it. You have made it, Auntie.
I tell you. Listen, so hear me now. Hear me now. Oh, listen. So hear me now. I say, tell me something. Suppose you had gone to, because I'm talking about 30 odd years now, Suppose you had gone to Mandeville and you saw me. Would you make me? Yes, me. Then they still, even though they're over 30 years, they're still children. Yes, miss. No, miss, that's it, It's because most of them that came have children going to high school.
Alright.
When Nada told me that her son is at Middlebrook, And as I said, I used to talk to my especially grade 9 girls, and I told them the facts of life. I said,
Keep talking. You told them the facts of life. Get a chair, please.
I said, listen, I don't let me hear one of you getting pregnant before I leave here. And so it was not one of them. Because it's a common thing. And this is grade 9. We're not talking to the grade 9 girls. One, Cassandra, I was sitting here, Cassandra was sitting here. She was reminding me when I said, I told them about company with the boys, so I was upstairs. It's a 2-story building, the school building. I was upstairs there, and the road is like just down there. So she was walking down the road. She didn't come to school that day. She was walking. I called to her from up there. I said, Cassandra, do you remember what I said? And she was reminding me.
So I want you to thank them all for what they did for you.
Pardon me?
Thank them. Thank them on the video. Tell them thanks. Tell all of them thanks.
Yeah, tell you what. I am planning to put it in writing. Whether it be a card or put it in writing. But I thank them individually, yes, but I want to put it in writing, Mm-hmm.
Okay, you
because
want...
many of the past students, like lie there, they spoke to me, but not hearing.
Yeah.
But they were so jubilant when they saw me,
Mm-hmm.
And there was one, I saw him there.
Well, hope your heart rate now go up, because this is a lot of excitement.
Pardon me?
I hope you're okay. This is a lot of excitement. Take your time.
It was more than excitement. One called to me from Sunday. One called to me. He said he is now living in Clarendon, nearby the hospital, and Denby.
Yes, Denby Hospital.
And he said he regretted he couldn't come with me, but they said they're coming back before Christmas. The plan, they said they have to come back before Christmas. So this one that spoke with me said, Miss, I didn't get to come with them Saturday, but I will be coming with them. And they said they are coming back before Christmas.
Yes, put it. No mash up the check.
Hey. Respect, Auntie.
Boy,
Let us salute you.
I'm so happy.
Yes, respect to you all, Auntie.
No, I'm so happy for.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
so happy.
Yeah, man. Hey, you see what has happened, man?
Yes.
Auntie, blessings, Auntie.
The contractor, Chris, he sat right here, and he said, that strap, he can't forget this strap. Then he was showing me the vehicle he drove. He said, Miss, had it not been for you, I wouldn't own that. I wouldn't be, they were very appreciative, I tell you. Very appreciative. And little did I know that all I was doing is to get the best out of every child. That was my thought. every child, get the best out of every child, you know. And it really went down and down. They really let me feel on top of the world.
Yes, you're on top, auntie. You're on top. Fuck you.
Pity you didn't get to meet them. So I told them that is this a gentleman from Brooklyn who is vacationing in Jamaica. I've made all this possible because the video you saw is really through him, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Well, it's true, Junior.
Who?
All this is possible because of Junior. It is Junior. Right, Junior, come here. Please
I don't
do.
want to cross it up anymore. Yeah?
I want to
Excuse
give.
me, I'll go.
Yes, go ahead.
And please take it inside to the bank.
Junior, all credit
Yes,
to the great son. Come over here, so man. Come on, them for know say. Some of them for know say the whole world for know say Junior Platinum. Due to you, this whole thing was possible because you trust us with your mother, and it's an honor. Thank you for trusting us.
Respect, man.
You know. But we have to take you to the studio soon because the world more want hear the song them, and the world is waiting. So you might want to thank the fans them for loving.
Yeah, man, bless up all of my fans and give thanks for the love we pour out for my mother, and you know. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, you know. A blessing.
Respect, love.
Yeah, man, and give thanks to Ron, Teddy.
Yes.
Thanks. No?
Yes, give thanks. This is a great.
Please put this on the table for me now.
Empty out the box.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I'm going to take the basket because there's more coming.
What a lovely basket, man. Pretty basket.
Yes. So, mommy, may I tell you, it is the Almighty working. We are so sorry we took that long to come see you. We're very sorry. I said, we're very sorry it took us so long because we know you was worried about us. So where is Teddy and Randy?
But Junior said you were coming on Sunday, but the weather.
Yes.
But when I saw the weather, I wonder how you really made it in today because it has been raining like this from Saturday.
Me couldn't make your banana them spoil.
No.
Coffee cross over his seas.
So good. And you know what I have inside?
What?
Cornflakes. I cannot have me cornflakes without ripe banana.
My lord. Watch that.
I can't have me cornflakes without ripe banana. And we can't get ripe banana.
Do you put them in a blender?
Answer.
You blend them.
Answer.
No. You. All right. Well, you have to realize
That is true.
that you see the blessing you're receiving
Yes.
is the same blessing you're giving to the world, because the world love you.
Them I drop off.
Isn't that a pretty?
Them I drop off.
Because the world love you. You see me? So the same thing that you're receiving is the same thing you're giving.
Yes.
So look at this.
And apart from the flowers, you know, they brought, like, you know, the video they saw that I my favorite drink was,
Malta.
they brought me about 8 bottles of, and I don't know, and apparently, some pastor then sent borrowed from over there to the parents because some of the contents, some of what they gave me, I can see it came out of that barrel from over there. Like the pink salmon we tried down so much. Because I can't get pink salmon here. And if I can't even get pink salmon here, I wouldn't be able to buy it, you know, the price on, you know. And they carry so many little things.
But you know what? This is the beginning.
It is until she
Because this is the beginning. It's just a love. I mean, we honor you, and this is the way.
But I showed you my wedding picture. Did I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Tonight,
Yeah.
oh, that is to show you that all of a sudden, I get so old. But I was very vibrant during my early years, you know. I look so different now.
No, you're alright.
Still vibrant, still vibrant.
You're not changed.
Still vibrant. Now you're vibrant.
When the picnic come and she and them there so I sing her, she said, you hear one of them.
So you're not tape session?
Them supposed to send down the clippings.
Okay.
Them say,
Give it to the goat. Give it to the goat too.
this one is not
The
cheers.
skin. The goat
This one,
like
see him with, she look see him with.
See you way.
That year I thought about she get older. She get older, but she not look older.
She not change.
She fit.
You look that.
Agile, you know.
Oh Lord, I tell you.
So, I see she fit around that she managed the
But the real reason why I come is so you have to climb the pear tree and go pick me a player.
To do what?
I wanted you to climb the pear tree, go get me a player.
So good they're calling up. So good man on it now. Like I had some two kungu tree there. I was sitting in the kitchen looking through the window at the kungu and it started blossoming. That was Saturday. As I started to blossom. So boy, thank you God. Yesterday morning when I got up, the priest just the priest tore them
The
down.
breeze popped them down.
Oh gosh.
Wow, man.
And then
It's such a
you could see
pleasure.
how it was going to be, you know, because
Yeah.
despite so many of them up there.
But no, we love it. Do you know the names of any of these flowers?
No, you know. But
You must know them, Teddy.
Teddy,
one is an orchid. That one that I brought. That's
you gave
a
me-
replica that you gave auntie. And
Yeah, give me some blooms.
you see this man?
Some blooms
Hey.
of that one.
Boy, believe me, she has gotten a variety of flowers from. Just focus on
But the
them.
name Teddy.
Focus on them, Ron. This one is a creeping thing that will hang down here. All of these are exotic flowers. This is bigona. See? And you notice this spotted thing.
Wow.
These things will be coiling down your fence, auntie. This is also a bigona family. And these are lilies, you know, man.
So Teddy, you still keep plenty plants?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can
Yes,
imagine
auntie.
because I
Yes.
knew you had a lovely garden.
Yes, auntie. Yes, auntie.
And what? This is the one you planted for me,
That
Teddy.
one now
Yes,
is-
yeah. Please care that tree, you know, man.
I will.
Yes. It's also this. But this is this one exotic. It's a cross between this one and something else. This
Okay.
one.
And you know the audience is gonna name everything.
Yes, they know them. They know
All right.
them, they know them.
So I want somebody to work from when I film it this way.
Yes,
We're gonna say number 1, they're
Yes.
going to type the name.
yes.
Number 2, they're going to type the name. Number 3, they're going to type the name. Number 4, they're going to type it. Tell us what number 5 is, all right? And you're going to win a prize. You're going to get to talk to Miss Doris.
Yes.
This is number 6, number 7. Oh, look at this number 8.
Yes.
This one is number 8.
Yes.
Number 9, number 10, this one is beautiful.
Yes,
number
yes.
11, I know the student must be proud. Number 12, this is one of my favorite. Number 13, and this is beautiful here.
Yeah.
14, guys, if you could name that one. And 15,
And 16 is also.
16, 17, and 18. I would like to know the name too. Right?
Of all of them.
18 different plants?
18 different plants, Mama.
And this is the designer.
And we want to thank the designer.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is cloth and cement.
Yes.
And we'll have to get her number.
Yes.
So that, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Thanks to all the
And
students.
18. And you know, it's about, I think everyone held, it's about that number of them that, you know, I didn't count, I don't remember.
Huh?
How much?
11.
5 males and 6 females. So it was about 11.
11, 4, 16.
All right.
4.
Don't worry about it. We're good. But we're just happy.
Yes.
We're happy to see you.
Yes.
You know, I remember you have to go wear long sleeve for the mosquito them this year.
Yeah. But tell you what, it's only because I'm at home this long. But most of my dresses, especially since that's a long.
The mosquito, you love you.
But most of them, most of my dresses are long sleeves, you know. But the mosquitoes are plentiful now.
Oh yes, because of the water, the rain.
Water, right? And they're you're in the bush, and the name of this place is Stones Hope, you know, because it's just stones. If you look around, it's just
Yes.
stones.
Stone Home.
Stones.
Wow, what a good day. It is a good day.
Oh gosh.
I love the flowers. You know, this has been, I did not expect all of this.
Pardon me?
I did not expect.
Okay, but I tell you, it was pity you weren't here. So I told them, go say thank you. Told them all this was possible through you.
It's a team, you know? It's a team effort.
Pardon me?
We don't want you to keep you outside too long.
Okay.
Because the mosquito them,
Tell you what,
the mosquito.
I called Tuna this morning, you know, to
Put on your lights. It's there, auntie.
you notice there, I don't know if it's the water. It's 2 times, you know, the complete roof came off.
Okay.
And if you notice over here, this was, I have to burst the tile here for the water to go through. It was a cistern. And now it looked buggy like water is there, but when I checked it this morning, I said no water is there, so I don't know.
Maybe it was the excess rain.
Yes, you know.
Some leak through.
So that's why I have to pull up everything and
cause, well, don't worry. If the water come, we will come. You just call us, okay?
and the last time you have to pour hole in, you know, the hole so that the water will come through.
Wait there.
Yes, because the colleague in a one.
Okay.
Luna will take care of that.
Okay, so Junior will look at the roof and seal it.
Yes.
Alright?
But that's why I do not like, perhaps it's because we were born in this type of, what do you call this type of roofing, zinc roofing.
Yeah.
But I don't like a slab roof.
Okay.
Right now, she's sleeping me every day. But right now, you know, we put more slab roof, mostly.
Yeah.
And she said right now her bedroom
Is
leaking 6 different places.
I think the best.
So we're gonna check the roof for you.
But this is Angelina's basket.
Yes.
This is wonderful.
And the next time we come, we're going to full it again.
Go!
So we have to bring it back so we can keep filling it.
But Parisha said, oh, Manchester.
Yes, Litchfield.
Malgoley, no?
Yes, auntie.
Yes.
What's the name of the community?
Litchfield.
Litchfield.
It's near Grove Place.
I know Grove Place, but
It's above Grove Place.
you can go that way and come up to Nazareth
Yes.
and Huntley and
Yes.
Mount Prospect
Yes.
up that way.
Careful how you walk. Look at it. It is so foggy. You know, so me still come from my cherry tree.
Huh?
Is my cherry tree still there back there?
The cherry tree? Tell you what, You got the sucker?
Me not think me they get me sucker.
Yes.
Let's go look.
Yes. Yes.
This way. Teddy,
No,
pull this
but,
in.
Round that side.
but tell you what,
Mm-hmm.
there was another sucker there, and apparently the guy who was doing the lawn
Cut it.
mess it up because I don't see it. Some years ago.
Mm-hmm. Watch your
Some years
step.
ago.
Watch your
It was
step.
lunchtime,
Mm-hmm.
and I came to this orange tree because they were not like that, they were laden.
Mm-hmm.
I came there, I picked 4 oranges. It was raining like this. Hurrying to go back inside. And I fell here and burst the head.
How?
Burst the head. When I came back on days after, I could see where, I think it was this stone.
Oh my.
So, went out there to see if I saw anyone.
Help.
She said, no, it's not so bad, you know. So I called the farmer helper. When she came, he said, look, Miss Doris, you have to go get stitches. He said, oh gosh. So I went to hospital, and doctor gave me 5 stitches in.
How old were you?
But I retired in 70 in the early
Mm-hmm.
2000.
Mm-hmm.
2000 and something.
Okay. Watch your step now. No running no more. Just take your time. You know, life is not a sprint, you know. You need to slow down.
Look at me gungo.
It fell down. The wind did this.
And then, look here. See, start blossoming.
Yes.
So nothing will come up the second. It's gone.
Oh.
That one is gone.
Well, maybe we can put some duct tape. Maybe we can tape it up with some duct tape.
I wonder.
Oh, look at it.
And I have tape inside, you know.
We might be able to tape it up, you know. Because it's still connected, you know, Mama. Teddy can fix it, you know.
I wonder if you can.
Teddy is a farmer.
I have to put the tape.
I think we can tape it up, man. Because
And I have tape inside.
watch your step.
Ready?
Wow. You mean say that when the blood on too?
You want to hear this before you say?
It's not gonna work, man.
You ain't tear down too much, man. Unless you put 2 sticks side eye. You see if you put 2 sticks.
This will tie up.
And me wouldn't trouble it, you know.
No man, they can't tie up, man. They can't come up, man. They can't come up, Teddy.
Alright.
So I'll put some tape on. Oh, tape. You need a rope.
Just tie the 2 of them somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you put 1 stick going it. If do like this.
Yeah, man. But I think that I broke the one
Oh,
and they broke too.
that one is not done. They can tie up right.
Yeah, them can tie up. Them 2 I can't. Yeah, you know them can't tie them.
Eh?
You know them can't tie.
You wouldn't do it now.
Alright.
So what my cherry tree there,
See,
Junior?
there the sucker there, the same way.
Okay.
Sucker there, the same way.
But they say no.
Don't be that ask if you have anything. Could I tie it up? Tie them up. Alright, yeah. Not about.
And they say use the same. Yes, there was a plant right here, and I don't know what. There was another plant right here. But looking for it now, I don't see it.
Then on to the one that you show me there.
Eh?
What, you know, show me one there, right? Or something, never take it up.
They say, I don't know if when the guy name went into the lawn, it was right there, man.
Yeah, but
I don't know if it.
me never take it up, you know, so. Only for this group over.
I don't know. That's how many years it was. So I don't know if he used the lawn and cut it down now.
Don't worry about that. You see me, running it, man.
Cherry sucker down there, son. Cherry sucker down there, say the next cherry tree, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
A different type of cherry, that
but
man.
the cherry
This
seed
is garden cherry. The other one is a.
Yeah, that one unusual cherry.
Eh?
Yeah. That one are the regular cherry. That one there are the peg one.
Which is
But it can go by the limb, you know.
Yes,
This can grow by the limb?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you can break off a limb and it grow?
Yeah,
Break
that's
break
just-
also now. Break up.
You want to know, Ron?
Yeah, man.
Break it bigger than that, man. Break.
No, this slimmer.
Yeah, cause at the young part I catch
Yes,
you know.
yes.
Oh, man.
Auntie, you know, she sees that.
You see the cottage in front of school, the Allisons, in front of school down Broadleaf here. When I was there, I planted a limb of this,
Yeah, man, you catch auntie.
and it grew.
Oh.
I don't know what the guy did.
Don't worry yourself.
Auntie, I go see when they catch.
Give thanks.
Well, they have trial and error, no? So they can try.
Nothing trying.
Hey, they are one thing in name root powder, you see?
Yeah, man, I know it.
And you get
I
your
know it,
style
man.
and you put your root
But
powder
a
in a
years-
one
a
little
years
sack and
not
just
something
tie
you
up,
tell
man.
you. You know?
And then it gives root. See?
Years,
you know.
years when I start sitting there.
Alright.
Right, then stop selling.
Never say them man used to use it for
Weed.
to grow weed,
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man.
Cut back, man.
Cause when seed shot, you know,
Yes,
brother.
a man have to plant limb.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
One
So
plant,
we know,
one
we know.
plant a day, one whole heap of plant.
Exactly.
Kunku was going to beer, you know, man. Look at
One
that.
plant to you. So that you plant out a 100 bag, a 100 bearing tree.
Yeah, man.
You save a tree if you cut off the bearing limb.
Mine are thrown, mine walk carefully there because of the wet, because of the wet paper here.
Watch your step.
Mr. Bursley. And then it was raining. And I was alone as usual. I live alone. And nobody to help me. So I don't know how long after I fell down there, how long I was there before I got up.
But you're still here with us.
Pardon me?
You're here now.
I tell you,
Just watch your step.
God is good.
What tree is this?
Cherry. Next
That's another cherry. But this one is easy, but
Oh.
it's
the next one.
it's a lovely cherry.
And this is the peg one. It carries some peg.
Yeah.
Four.
But that one is easy. It's all about plant. See the kind of the plant, not you.
See one else what we can. But it no big
Let's
root.
stay till the next time. I'll take it up more
Because I made it up there and the whole pile of plants are there.
You need a fork.
But this is another type of cherry.
They don't pull so easy, you know, auntie.
It has a more
Wow.
when it is fully ripe.
This cherry is so this looks so beautiful.
No, when them come again, when them
Oh, we'll come again.
Let me come again, auntie.
One cherry at a time.
Yes. Yes.
Beautiful day. You see, I brought my water boat.
Let me step there here just because of
Yeah,
this
yeah.
wet.
Hey, Junior, next time I come on and see the thing, you know. Me I have to go through the bush, you know. Over here. Oh, if you see the view?
Oh, the view you want to see? Out the gate, man. Go out the gate. Get
Oh, okay, me did see it.
Yeah, out of the gate. But in the night you see it more. But like when you fog up now, we're not going to see
You
it.
plant the yam them?
No, I'm not planting it.
They must spring up.
No.
You put them on the bush?
No, them in the bag same way.
Put them down and put bush on
I'm
them.
not happy to that. Them
will
good in
spring
the
up?
bag. Yeah, man. Them good in the bag same way.
Okay. Teddy, hear me I talk like I'm expert.
No, the bush thing alright too.
You
You
know,
know.
find out say two run a reconnect with Wayne Wolf and him a boy. You know, we make
So Angelina is alright though.
instruction
How old is Angelina? You said 80?
Yeah.
Angelina is 80.
80s.
There's someone.
We might bring her with us, with you, to check her ear too.
Yes, Ben.
November 9th,
Okay. That's the time we have the
doctor's appointment.
Okay.
November 9th.
By the way, you think that we can get the hearing aid in Jamaica? He should be able to recommend.
Here,
Please.
yes,
Right.
yes.
It up.
And no matter what,
Yes.
We'll figure it out. We'll do it.
Right. Please, please. I want to meet Aunt Lena. Please take her with you when you're coming.
Well, even if not then,
Eh?
we can bring you earlier.
Yes.
We can have a day with you.
Yes.
So let's do this. I wanted to take her to church one Sunday with you,
Okay.
no matter the church.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to try to arrange it.
On a Sunday.
On a Sunday,
Yes.
we go to church.
Okay. Service starts at 11 o'clock at my church.
So we have, at your church.
At my church.
So we bring her here.
Yes. And then the church is, you know, Williamsfield, you know,
Yeah.
Royal Flat.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, between Williamsfield and Royal Flat. Beside Mackintosh Memorial School. Up the one on top there, that's my church. But because of distance and all that, for instance, I can only go to church now like on a first Sunday, communion Sunday, you know.
So that's what we're going to plan next.
Pardon?
I'm going to call her and talk to her.
Yes.
What time service start?
11 o'clock.
11.
Exactly at 11.
All right. So
Exactly
if
at 11.
we pick up at 9, we'll have time.
Yes.
Because it's going to be a powerful meeting.
Pardon me?
It's going to be nice.
Yes. That I would be so happy.
But what I want to do before you even do, to bring you to meet her.
Yes. Okay.
Because she's blind, you know.
Okay.
And she's not hearing good.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we want to bring her also
Okay.
to check her ears.
Yes. Yes.
You see?
Yes.
And check her eyes another time.
Okay.
Because she's stubborn, you know. Yeah, so we're happy. We're happy.
Yes.
It's a joyous occasion.
Your time in Jamaica is limited now.
No. Now that the corona vaccine might come, we might stay. So what I'm doing, I'm watching what they're doing.
Yes. Yes.
Because if they say you have to take the vaccine before you travel, I'm watching what they're doing.
Yes. Yes.
Because then I'll just stay in Jamaica
Yes.
and bring my daughter here.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I came here,
Yes.
to cite the vaccine.
Okay.
Because-
How old is your daughter?
She's 13,
Okay. Okay.
so she's getting tall and nice.
Yes.
How is your grandson? How is Talaka?
Yeah, man.
I'm good? Okay. We're gonna...
See cousin birthday. I'm going to spend birthday on the day.
Mm-hmm.
Good, man. Good. I'm talking to him this morning.
Okay. But we're gonna do it. So November 9th, but what we're gonna do is to bring her to meet Angelina.
Yes.
Between now and then.
And then after we bring her to meet Angelina, then we go to church with them.
Okay.
You see? She would love to meet you. Teddy met her already.
Okay.
She's really pleasant, Auntie.
Yes. And she's blind.
Yes.
I wouldn't say that, you know, she's, Auntie,
But
she's an intellect.
because my father was blind, and I think he was a merchant tailor, and I think with the knee and everything. But about 10 years he was lying there, you know, and he couldn't go from the living room to from his bedroom to the living room. He couldn't find his way. He spent. Then he was so little after a time. But he spent, though he was blind, he spent a day over here with me, you know. So the father coming from down the field with this basket of food.
So Mama, do you have a jacket?
Yes, sir.
All right, so Junior, make sure she wear a jacket. The mosquito. Get in the house now, because the mosquito them terrible.
You have them down here, please.
Not much.
Not much is plenty because of the bush around here.
Yeah.
Auntie.
Right, Teddy, good man, good.
God. Yes, Auntie.
Good, Teddy.
Yes, Auntie.
Good, Miss Lou.
Hey, Auntie, I always love that.
Eh?
I always love when you remember Mama.
You can't forget Miss
Yes,
Lou, man.
please into it.
I'm
Please
God-free.
into it. Yes, I'm God-free. Believe me,
I'm
Auntie.
God-free.
You make me heart feel good. Yeah? Yes, man.
Just tell him to hurry up and beard when we come pick him up.
Auntie, you always behave like that, you know.
Mama,
Take care of you.
love you.
And thanks ever so much for all the goodies you bring for me there.
It's the beginning. If flowers keep blooming, we will keep coming. All right? Love you. Love you. And the world love you. All right? We're going to see you soon. Next thing, we're going to bring you to Angelina.
All right.
Soon.
Next week.
2, 3 days, 4 days. All right?
All right.
Love you.
Okay,
Junior,
good.
stay strong. Remember, drink your coffee.